Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the legality of artificial intelligence or AI. AI is an advanced technology that has revolutionized the way we interact with machines and has the potential to change the world in unimaginable ways. However, as with any new technology, there are legal and ethical questions that need to be addressed. What is artificial intelligence? Before we dive into the legality of AI, let's first define what we mean by AI. AI is a branch of computer science that involves creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks without human intervention. These tasks include things like recognizing speech, making decisions, and learning from experience. Legal issues surrounding AI. Now let's talk about the legal issues surrounding AI. One of the biggest concerns with AI is liability. Who is responsible if an AI system causes harm? For example, if a self-driving car causes an accident, who is at fault? Is it the car manufacturer, the software developer, or the owner of the car? In the case of self-driving cars, there have been some high-profile accidents that have raised concerns about liability. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car struck and killed a pedestrian in Arizona. While the safety driver was behind the wheel, the car was in autonomous mode, raising questions about who was at fault for the accident. Another legal issue with AI is data privacy. AI systems require a lot of data to learn and make decisions. However, this data can include sensitive information about individuals. It's important to have regulations in place to ensure that this data is collected and used ethically and with the proper consent. One example of this issue is the use of facial recognition technology. There have been concerns about the use of this technology in law enforcement and how it could potentially be used to violate people's privacy and civil rights. Another issue is bias. AI systems can be biased in the data they use and the decisions they make. For example, a facial recognition system may not work as well for people with darker skin tones. It's important to ensure that AI systems are developed and tested with diversity and inclusivity in mind. Patents and copyright are also issues when it comes to AI. Who owns the intellectual property of an AI system? Is it the company that developed it, the researchers who created it, or the individuals who trained it? There have been several high-profile legal battles over AI patents, including a dispute between Google and Uber over self-driving car technology. Ethical considerations. While legal issues are important, it's also crucial to consider the ethical implications of AI. One major ethical concern is job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a risk that many jobs could be automated, leading to mass unemployment. Another ethical issue is the use of AI in warfare. Autonomous weapons, also known as killer robots, are a potential threat to humanity. It's important to have international laws in place to prevent the use of these weapons. Conclusion. In conclusion, the legality of AI is a complex issue that requires careful consideration. We must ensure that AI systems are developed and used ethically and with the proper regulations in place. While there are many potential benefits to AI, we must also be aware of the potential risks and work to mitigate them. It's important for governments, businesses, and individuals to work together to address the legal and ethical challenges posed by AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative.